The workshop was great. It was about working with a team and bouncing ideas off of one another and building experiences that are community-based.
Jessica Outlaw, who led the workshop, is a brilliant facilitator. And so she gave some really great grounding theory to go into augmented reality. And then we had a whole bunch of time to prototype and test.
How can you go from like this high, like table length height, down the floor, and then go around a corner? We're really pushing the limits of what it can do.
My team prototyped a wayfinding and information tool for an imaginary intergalactic zoo.
I've played around in Unity and looked at things like the HoloLens. Can I say those things? Okay, cool. With Torch, it's totally different. And it's really intuitive and simple to me. So it lowers that barrier of entry. It's really super exciting.